On July 25, a powerful typhoon struck the coast of China. The city of Shanghai and Zhejiang province were most affected. The Shanghai authorities have evacuated more than 300,000 people. The movement of metro lines and high-speed trains was stopped, electricity was cut off in some places, and the embankment of the Bund was blocked. Local authorities require people to stay at home, not go outside or go to the banks of a river or sea. Shanghai airports as well as Hangzhou Airport also cancelled all flights the next day. The country's meteorological service predicts that the typhoon may remain in eastern China for a long time, with strong winds and rains in many cities.